So, g'day trendsetters. Just a short little 3-minute Monday video, basically to thank each and every one of my now 507 subscribers. So I'm halfway there to meeting my goal. Has taken me a little bit longer than I'd hoped, but progress all the same. As always, I hope you enjoy everything that I've done. It's been a little bit quiet just the last couple of weeks. The weather here has really been cruel. The drought's been really cruel. Hardly seen the sky for the last 2 or 3 weeks because of smoke from all the bushfires and everything. But all the same, the weather's about to change, apparently, according to the Weather Bureau, which I tend to take with a bit of grain of salt these days. But it's supposed to be a storm tomorrow, a storm for Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you that celebrates Christmas, and happy holidays and whatever else goes along for whatever else you happen to enjoy at this time of the year. What else? The next 12 months. Like I said, hopefully the weather changes. I can get more in. I haven't been able to put a lot of salady stuff in the garden, lettuce, and I've got a few basil, but they're struggling in the heat. Salady stuff. Cucumbers, I've got cucumbers up the back, but they're struggling a bit as well. Tomatoes aren't enjoying the weather. So hopefully things will change. Beans, I've planted one lot of beans, and I got half a small picking off of one lot. So I hope I get some beans in before summer's gone and I can't even plant beans again. But mainly today is just about saying thank you to each and every one of you that has subscribed, and each and every one of you that hopefully is about to subscribe. It's my goal for doing all this is hopefully I can get a bigger patch of dirt, do a bigger patch of dirt for a bigger veggie garden, and maybe become a little bit semi-productive and take some of my excess produce to the Sunday market. It's not a profit-making thing. It's just something I want to do. I enjoy doing it, and I'd love to have the opportunity to sell some of my produce to somebody who might like to enjoy it and buy it. What else? Not much else. Just again, thank you. So yes, just thank you. And speaking of subscribers, it is a great help to me. If you like this video, you would consider subscribing and liking the video and sharing it around. It all helps to help the channel grow, and maybe get my little block of land where I can grow some more. Not a larger range, just more like simple like chilies. I'd love to be able to sell chilies throughout the summer, different varieties, half a dozen different varieties. Just go to market with a little case of chilies every Sunday and talk to people about growing veggies and stuff. Radish, lettuce, all that. Yeah, beans. Just take it to market. Just enjoy growing produce. So that's a little bit of what I'm about. And hopefully we get this rain that's coming, cooler weather, the first between now and New Year's, and I can get some stuff planted, get some seed sowing, and get things happening. All right, cheers, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.